Hey friends, who's hungry? A Kentucky hot brown is an iconic open-faced sandwich served with sliced turkey breast, tomatoes, crispy bacon, and a creamy Mornay sauce. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Cut the crust off 2 slices of thick white bread, then cut one of the slices corner to corner to make triangles. Lay the square piece in the center of an oven-safe dish. Then place a toast point on either side. Layer 7 ounces of thick sliced turkey breast over the bread. Place a halved Roma tomato on top of each toast point. Toast the sandwich in the oven for 10 minutes until the bread is slightly toasted and the turkey is heated through. While the sandwich is toasting, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan. Stir in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour until smooth. Then cook over medium-low heat, stirring frequently for 2 minutes. Slowly stir in 2 cups of heavy cream. Continue to stir until the mixture is smooth. Then increase the heat to medium and simmer the cream, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes until the cream is thickened. Remove the pot from the heat and add half a cup of Pecorino Romano cheese. Once the cheese is melted, add 1/8 teaspoon of ground nutmeg and season the Mornay sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Pour half of the Mornay sauce over the sandwich. It should be completely covered with the sauce. Then top the sauce with 2 slices of cooked bacon. Broil the sandwich for about 5 minutes until the sauce is bubbling. Then garnish the top with paprika and chopped parsley before serving. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.